To utilize the availability feature, start by logging in to your account at hotschedules.com. Navigate to the top left of the screen and click the Settings tab. Then click on the Personal option. This will redirect you to a page where you can modify your availability. Creating a new availability is the first step. Begin by selecting the effective date, such as October 5th, and then enter a reason for the change in availability. Next, use the calendar to set your availability for each day of the week by clicking and dragging. A key at the top of the calendar indicates that white space signifies availability, while grayed out areas signify unavailability. To set unavailability, simply click and drag over the desired day. If a mistake is made, double-clicking on a day can correct the error. You can also clear all availability by clicking Clear Availability at the bottom right of the screen. If only one day needs to be modified, you can drag the edge of the unavailability block to adjust once you're satisfied with your availability. Press Submit Availability to save changes. Saved availability can be deleted later by clicking the X button or Delete Availability and confirming the deletion.